this is Mr. V. Welcome to this video on scaling. Here I've got a map of Sarina main town, and what we want to do is find out from our map what the distance is from Sarina State High School to the IGA. So Sarina State High School is over here and the IGA is over here. What we're going to do to calculate this is, firstly I want to know the distance these are away on my map. So I'm going to measure that out. I'm just going to draw my line. There we go. And let's measure that line. Let's measure how long that line is. So 3.56, that looks to be 3.7 centimeters. 3.7 centimeters. Okay, now there's actually two different methods we can use to do this, and I'll show you both. Right, method one is the straightforward method. So what I'm going to do is this 3.7 centimeters, we want to scale to the real life equivalent. And to scale up to the real life equivalent, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by this scale factor. And it's always given on our maps. So this 3.7 centimeters is going to be equivalent to 3.7 times 20,000, and that will still be centimeters. Right, we're going to calculate that one. Put it on your calculator. There we go. Alright, and I'm hoping you all got 7.4, and there's actually no comma there anymore. 74,000 centimeters. Centimeters is a bit awkward here though. We're not going to walk around saying, hey, that's 74,000 centimeters. We prefer using meters or kilometers. So to change this into meters, we're going to divide by 100, which is 740 meters. Let's change that to kilometers as well, just to show you what that's like. We're going to divide by 1,000 to go from meters to kilometers. So that is 0.74 kilometers. So almost 3/4 of a kilometer. Now that's all good. What if you have a lot of these to do on the same map? Doing this every time is time consuming. So method 2, you know what, in fact I'm going to put it down here, method 2. What we can do to this scale, 1 is to 20,000, is change it to a more useful form. You of course know that this means the same thing as 1 centimeter is proportional to 20,000 centimeters. And what we can do is do the unit conversion now instead of later. So we can change this to 1 centimeter is to 200 meters, just by dividing by 100. If you wanted to go the extra step, you can always divide by 1,000. 1 centimeter is proportional to 0.2 kilometers. Pick whichever one works best. Now it's important to know this will only work if our measurements start at centimeters and go to whichever one we're using. It's why maps always show the scale factor, simply because it's universal. Using this unit equivalency, let's calculate that distance, and now 3.7 centimeters is proportional to, we can just multiply by this new scale factor, 0.2. and that is now going to be in kilometers. And that will give you exactly the same answer, 0.74 kilometers. And then your next one will just be 2 lines, and then 2 lines, and then 2 lines. Quick and easy. And that is how you scale from your map to real life.